Here we have a 2014 long wheelbase Ford Transit Custom Trend model fridge freezer van. Really rare van, being a long wheelbase Trend with the freezer unit attached. The van will come with a fresh MOT and service, and as well as that we have just had the fridge unit service as well. So that is fully functioning, goes down to -21 as it should, goes down nice and quickly. So yeah, fully functioning fridge freezer unit with it. As you can see from the video, bodywork is nice and tidy. There's no damage, no rust, no dents. Expect the odd tiny mark. It is a used commercial vehicle, but overall I think it's in very good condition. Being a Trend model, you've got front and rear parking sensors, cruise control, so an upgrade on the basic model. And crucially, with any fridge unit, you've got the overnight standby. Big plus if you want to store food and keep it cold overnight. Inside, it's all nice and tidy, no excessive wear to any of the seats or the dashboard. It's all in clean condition, as you can see. I'll turn the vehicle on. Done 96,000 miles, 2 keys with it, both remotes. You will hear the freezer unit working as well. I did have this one earlier. So up here is the unit for the on and off, and you've also got a Transcan unit for the freezer as well. So as you can see, it's already in minus numbers. Turn it on and off here. You can adjust the settings, so you can run it to -18. There you go, it does go down to -21 if you adjust the settings to bring it down to that temperature. Engine, as you can see, is all good. Just turn this off now, the freezer unit. Full power. There's no smoke at high revs. It's not misfiring in any way. All good, no warning lights. Obviously this is just for the fuel light. We have got 6-speed gearbox. It's all nice and smooth, no crunches, no gearbox whines. Handbrake down here. Also got an inverter. It's hard to see, but it's underneath the handbrake. You can charge things, so you can well, a phone charger or anything down here. It's a bit hard to see. See it there. Cruise control is fully working. Electric windows, good. Glove box nice and tidy. Meter blower works fine. All fully functioning. I'll quickly show you some of the service history we've got. We've got a whole file of receipts. It's just serviced at 92,000. Full service, tyres, sump plug, air filter, oil filter. That's all been done. Previous MOTs, so it will come with a new MOT. Originally a lease van, so it's got some lease things with it. And we've also got more receipts here for the vehicle, so that's all good. I'll leave the fridge unit on now. Actually, you will see. You hear the again, lovely and cold, definitely working. The unit itself is a high quality one, built for a freezer unit, big thick size, which will help keep the vehicle cold. No damage to sides either. All in all, she's a really tidy vehicle. Mechanically perfect. It does come with a 1-year warranty as well, So you've got peace of mind knowing that you have a 1 year warranty, no mileage restrictions on that warranty, just a £1,000 claim limit per claim. So just turn it off now. It is plus VAT, as it's come direct from a VAT registered company. We can arrange finance and we do offer free UK delivery. If you do have any more questions about this van, feel free to get in contact. Our office number is 01753 267 270. Thanks a lot for your time. Bye bye.